In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put games on your Wix website in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to increase user engagement or simply want to offer your visitors a bit of fun, adding games to your site can be a great option. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to access the Wix website editor. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the site where you want to add a game. Opening the editor might take a few moments, so be patient while it loads up all the necessary elements. Once you're in, you should see the Wix editor's dashboard, which is the place where all the magic happens when it comes to designing your website. Next, focus on the options and tools provided by the editor. Look for the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the page. It's a handy tool for quickly finding the elements you want to work with or add to your site. Once you've located the search bar, go ahead and click on it to activate it, allowing you to type in what you're looking for. In the search bar, type the word games. This action prompts Wix to fetch a variety of game options available to integrate into your site. Browse through the list that appears, keeping in mind what kind of game would best fit your website's audience and theme. After searching, you'll likely see a selection of available games such as pop-up games and Crossy Chicken, among others. Pop-up games can be a quick, simple way to offer entertainment right on your web page, while Crossy Chicken is a more interactive game that could be entertaining for certain audiences. Think about what might engage your visitors the most or suit the tone of your site, and select the game that you believe will be a hit. Once you've made your choice, the next step is to add it to your site. To do this, click on the game you want, and you should see an option to add or integrate it into your Wix website. Follow the prompts to ensure it gets included in the right spot on your page. The Wix editor is intuitive, so it should guide you through the necessary steps in this process. Double check that the game appears exactly how and where you want it on your site before you finish up. Customizing any positioning or sizing through the editor can help ensure it blends seamlessly with the rest of your content. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully integrated a game onto your Wix website, adding an exciting and interactive element for your visitors to enjoy. Thanks for tuning in today, and have fun engaging your audience in new and creative ways.